So if you're looking to change up the look of your Whoop band, Whoop makes it very easy and they sell a lot of first-party accessories. There's a ton of third-party ones out there, but it is very easy to actually switch out your band. The actual device itself is simply right here. This is where all of the brain power comes from, but you can simply just remove this off and install a new band, or mix and match the clasps if you like to really personalize it. So, like we said in our first look video on the band itself, we have a couple of bands here. The first one I'm super excited about is the Sportflex Tempo. This is one of their newer bands. It has a completely different silicone material here than a lot of their other offerings, and then also the Super Knit band as well. And we can start with this. So obviously I did purchase this earlier, but I want to go ahead and open it up and take a look at it for you. And right off the bat, you can see just how similar it is in material wise to this one. But the first thing you'll notice is that you do have a different color clasp here. It is somewhat of a shiny royal blue almost, and that follows suit obviously for the other connector here to simply slide on the device. So again, very simple material. It is a little more flexible and stretchy than I think the other band is. So that could be a good look for the device if that's what you're going for. Now for the more exciting one, like I said earlier, it is going to be this baby right here, the new version that they're selling. And oh, look at that, guys, right off the bat, that looks so good. I like the little pink accent on the back also. Kind of had that same royal blue connector piece here, but this is nice. It's actually water resistant, much more so than the other ones, and it's unique because it is the first band you don't have to take off if you want to resize. It simply has this pin that pushes right in and out, and it is very hard to do, so it grasps it pretty nice once you stretch it over. So I'm going to put this one on, and this looks like it's going to be my go-to. Let's pop it on really quick. So once you pull off the other band, you can see kind of exactly where those grooves are and how to line this up. And we're just going to do just that. I like putting my finger on the top to give it a barrier, and you give it a little force for newer bands, and it fits right in, and you're just going to duplicate this in the prongs on the other side here. And then once you clip on both sides, you can simply just snap this right over the top. You do want to make sure that piece does not slide out, obviously. Regrip it. Let's see if we got it there. There we go. And it snaps right into place. And here you are. What do you guys think of these bands? Let's go ahead and pop the other one on just so you can see how it works. Again, you just pop these right up and you can just remove the pin connector, unslide this, and you can do this all over again. And there you go. So once you get the method down, you will be good to go to move these around between bands as needed. I'm going to go ahead and slide this up a little bit because it does say it should be about 2 fingers or an inch from your bone here on your hand. And again, you can resize it as you saw me doing from Jump Street. So not too terrible. I don't mind this. It is a lighter fabric. It's probably a little better as far as wickability and breathability here than obviously this band that we were just talking about. It's going to be a personal preference. I'll throw a link up down below on Amazon for any of these that you might want, including the Whoop band. We greatly appreciate it if you use those affiliate links. It helps out the channel greatly. So between all these bands that you've seen, and again, there's obviously a ton more, do you have a preference between them? Do you like the basic black one that it comes with, or did you want to switch it up and do something a little different? I don't think you can go wrong with really any of these bands. They do feel really good, and right from Jump Street, really, from using them, I think I definitely prefer something like this over the Oura Ring. But as far as the data compilation and all that, that's yet to be seen on how it really compares. Make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more Whoop coverage and health fitness aspects as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.